5 mistakes when washing hands can easily invite the COVID-19 virus. Hand washing is one of the simple things, but if you do it incorrectly, it will backfire because your hands are the medium for them to take, easily attacking your health. Moreover, the epidemic of COVID-19 is becoming more and more complicated, providing the best knowledge to prevent disease for yourself and your family. Here are some mistakes when washing your hands. 1. You wash your hands too quickly is a common hand washing mistake that you often make. It does not kill all bacteria, viruses carefully. We recommend that you first wet your hands with water. After that, apply soap on your hands. For COVID-19, use a 70% ethanol alcohol solution or 90-degree dilution alcohol and scrub thoroughly according to what the health department has shown for 21 seconds and then wash it off under the tap. Many people just need to rub soap on wet hands and quickly wash away the soap. This will not get you rid of germs, viruses and germs, but only make things worse. And this is the best way to kill germs from your hands. 2. You do not use soap or alcohol solution each time you wash your hands. Many people think that it is not necessary to use soap or alcohol solution every time you wash your hands. That is not right. Detergent and disinfectant in soap and alcohol solution, although they are chemicals, have been approved by the health department that we can use regularly. If you want to clean your hands properly, you must use soap or an alcohol solution. This will also help you rub your hands properly and wash for as long as you need. Soap and alcohol solution are essential to remove dirt and bacteria, viruses. Washing your hands with water alone is not enough. Soap and alcohol solution will also ensure that you do not miss spots such as the back of your hands or under your nails. 3. You skip drying your hands after washing. Don't make this mistake of washing your hands. After washing your hands for 21 seconds, you need to dry them properly. You can use a hand dryer or a towel. The dryer can make your hands dry faster, and paper towels can be thrown away after use. But if you choose to use a towel, make sure it is clean. If your cloth is dirty or damp, you can open the way for germs and bacteria to stay on your hands. In addition, in the case of using antibacterial dry hand sanitizer, you should still wash your hands and wipe dry to avoid hand contact with eyes, nose or mouth or food, causing bad effects because it is chemical anyway. 4. You touch the doorknob or faucet after washing your hands. After washing your hands, use a paper towel to lock the faucet or open the door. This is very important if you are using a public restroom. It will ensure that you do not immediately expose your hands to the virus after properly washing your hands. Never touch dirty surfaces after washing your hands.